Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make money in Warband. We'll start by covering essential early game strategies to get your finances off the ground. Then, we'll move into mid-game tactics, focusing on expanding your income streams. Finally, we'll explore late-game methods to ensure lasting prosperity and dominance in Calradia. Get ready to build your fortune. Starting your journey with a few hundred dinars can be tough, but early game strategies are key. Focus on defeating bandits and selling their loot or prisoners to ransom brokers for quick cash. Completing quests for village elders and lords also provides valuable income and reputation. Don't forget to enter tournaments. Betting on yourself can yield up to 4,000 dinars per win. As your wealth grows, invest in productive enterprises like dyeworks or ironworks in major cities. Strategic trading, buying low and selling high, can also be very lucrative, especially with goods like salt, spice, or raw silk. If you become a mercenary or vassal, raiding enemy villages can provide valuable loot, though it may affect your honor. In the late game, with a kingdom or significant holdings, your income streams diversify. Efficiently collecting taxes from your fiefs becomes a major source of wealth. Capturing and ransoming enemy lords can bring in substantial sums, especially for high-ranking individuals. Continue to expand your network of enterprises across Calradia for consistent passive income, and leverage strong trade relations to maximize profits from your goods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.